Once upon a time, there was the perfect Big Eight. They have worked endlessly for the last 360 days, but now they look a little tired.
So what's the agenda for today?
Next week is International Mosquito Awareness Week. As you know, mosquitoes have been oppressed for decades and centuries.
Yeah, that's a nice community service idea.
Maybe a mosquito relay.
Maybe we should get rid of bug sprays.
Guys, why are we talking about mosquitoes? Can't we just quit?
Quit!
No, because we're the Big Eight!
Yeah, you can be the biggest one.
Yeah, I'm out. Kyungbu, come.
Fed up with Sungfar's ridiculous proposals, they left.
Yeah, come on, Namsmin.
It's hilarious.
Hilarious.
Meanwhile, Solfladin, Kyungbu, Yuna, and Namsmin were talking behind Sungfar's back until they found something.
Oh, why is he talking about mosquitoes?
He's such an idiot.
I hate him. What's that?
Wait, can you rub it?
That's so
Rub it. Oh my god.
Thank you for freeing me. I am Ji-Hwani the Genie. I will grant you 3 wishes. Would you like any?
3 wishes?
What? I think he's just crazy.
Yeah. Let's test it.
Should we?
Yeah.
What should we do? Can you give Mr. Watterson hair?
Okie dokes. Now he has hair.
Oh!
So it is real.
No, that's impossible. Let's just try something else.
What else? Can you make Mr. Earl dance?
Can do. Now he is dancing.
아픈 말도 많지만 산다는 건 참 중거리야 오늘도 수고만
My God!
What's our third wish?
Third wish, chicken.
No, it has to be pizza.
족발, 족발!
곱창, 곱창.
Guys, wait. Let's just ask him to let us retire from the Big Eight.
Why don't you think a little longer before you decide?
Guys? Yeah? I need to go to the bathroom. Kyungbu, come on. Namsmin, watch the drone.
But little did they know, Terago was watching.
What's the matter?
Drone! Ginny! No more Big Eight!
What? Where's the drone now?
Out there! What should we do?
With a single glance, they had a plan, and they left the room.
Guys, what are we doing?
We're watching. We have to watch this.
Not anymore!
That was a good one, don't you think?
Good one!
Did someone just call my name?
And like that, Sungfar took the lamp.
Let's go and check.
Meanwhile, Solfladin and Kyungbu finished peeing.
Kyungbu, they're gone.
Oh, where?
I don't know.
You pee!
I couldn't help it.
Your fault!
No, it's not my fault. I couldn't help it.
Your fault. Your
No, it's
fault.
not my fault.
Your
No,
fault.
it's your fault. No.
Your fault!
Ha ha ha! Thank you for freeing me.
The genie.
Ji-Hwani the Genie. I will grant you a wish. What would you like?
Make me the biggest one.
Okay, can do.
I'm now the biggest one!
But with great power comes great responsibility.
Is that cool enough, sir? Thank you for allowing us this opportunity, sir.
For the first few weeks, Sungfar enjoyed his newfound power. This is all he had ever wanted, and Ji-Hwani the genie had made it all come true. But of course, being the biggest one
so
wasn't all
we
fun
need
and
to
games.
sign off on the school budget.
School in action in Seoul next week, so
The librarian needs you to sign off on the new plans for the library layout.
we have the opening of the new fish tank soon next week, so we've got the POE committee to sign off on that.
The NLCS London are here for the inspection, so I need you every day next week.
To go and buy some double duck, so of course get that backing up.
Stop it! Stop it! I can't anymore!
Just give it back to them. Just go.
Let's go! Stop planning!
Sunfar just couldn't take it anymore.
I couldn't do. No, it's
Meanwhile, Sofladen and Kyungbu were still fighting.
not
Not my fault.
No,
Your fault.
No,
You
your
peed.
fault. No. Stop planning! What happened? And the drone? Here. Yes. Guys, it's time for our last wish.
What is your last wish? Yes, indeed, it is time for the school to let it